How to check Instagram direct messages, DMs. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your chats, message requests, and make sure your message settings are configured correctly. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section and tap Messages and Story Replies. Under How People Can Reach You, tap Message Requests. Here, review your message request settings. Make sure the options are set the way you prefer, so people can send you message requests if needed. Once you're done, go back to the main Instagram screen. Now, tap the Messages icon in the bottom right corner of the home screen. Here, you'll see your conversations under the Primary and General tabs. If someone you don't follow has sent you a message, tap the Requests section to view and manage message requests. Simply tap on any conversation to open it, read your messages, and reply. And that's it. You now know how to check your Instagram direct messages and manage your message requests. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful Instagram tips and tutorials.